Look, guys, if you're inexperienced with pre-workout, if you only care about taste, or if you're under 18, this is not the pre-workout for you. Otherwise, let's dive in. So we're gonna do a little time traveling ourselves. This is TimeCop V4. We've been here from the beginning. We've been on board this train since TimeCop V1. The flavor has trended up over time. This is Miami Vice, so strawberry, watermelon, coconut. It's a marked improvement over all previous versions. But again, if that's your chief concern, look elsewhere. That's not what Apollon's about. They're about formula. So what differentiates this? Remember, the genesis of TimeCop, it marries bare knuckle, Apollon's stimulant-free pump and performance pre-workout with Overtime, which is their high stim nootropic. Those two things are typically at odds with one another. Usually when you turn the stim knob up to 11, you compromise on pump. Not here. So I think that's what makes it unique. It's a 39-gram scoop, 500 milligrams of caffeine. You have the Aerogenesis extract, NN, dimethyl phenylethylamine, then you have beta PEA, phenylethylamine, same thing. Those two are both agonists of TAR1 receptor, trace amine associated receptor. These are things like neurotransmitters, like dopamine, like norepinephrine, that activate alertness, sympathetic tone, focus. This is the classic amphetamine receptor. You're gonna get some activity here. But the cool part about TimeCop is because it's reinforced with all these neuroprotective and anxiolytic nootropic ingredients, there's no risk of neurotoxicity. Lion's mane is one such ingredient. Lion's mane contains adenosine A, which raises NGF, or neuronal growth factor, and that's neuroprotective, neurogenic, meaning it helps regrow neurons, and provides long-term benefits for memory, cognition, recall, short-term benefits for mood and focus, which is perfectly on brand for TimeCop. Cognitique, that's a retread. That was in the previous version. Cognitique raises the other chief compound in the brain that helps regrow neurons. That's called BDNF, very similar to NGF. Similarly, there is a focus and mood improvement claim there. I find I get a little bit more mood out of things that raise BDNF and a little bit more focus out of things that raise NGF. Then we have Alpinia galanga, Thai ginger. It's got a study that outperformed caffeine at 1, 3, and 5 hour intervals for focus and concentration without any elevation in heart rate. It doesn't impair sleep. It actually synergizes with caffeine. And the last ingredient that's new in TimeCop V4 is something called vincamine, which comes from periwinkle plant. And it just increases blood flow to the brain. You're gonna get mood, alertness, awareness. All that stuff funnels into the same cone of focus and neuroprotection that's gonna allow you to ride the lightning provided by those huge doses of PEAs. 500 milligrams of the NN PEA, which is a dose that you don't really get anywhere else in the industry. Again, if you don't wanna compromise on your pre-workout, if you want unrelenting high stim, but you want mood, focus, and performance with it, TimeCop V4, Apollon.